Hi my dear friends, I am Dharmendra Yadav. Today I will tell you how to create MDPI Latex template. This is the MDPI templates are very high qualified papers where and their processing time is very huge and processing cost is also very high. So today I will tell you how to create a latex template in MDPI. But basically MDPI lot of journals, approximately more than 500 journals, and this is the single template that work for all the journals. On your Google and type MDPI journal text, then here come to the this is the your first page, and when you click on it, it will be open in this. Here is this is the zip file where you can download your appeared in the form of the template. This is the template from where you can download it. This is all the definition. There is the definition. You can see all the definition of the journals. Most of the journals, this is the code EPS file. Basically EPS file is used for EPS format. Basically this is the image file. Okay, and there are the logo, and this is the logo latex class. This is the latex class where all the description of the class is shown in this class, and this is the journal name. Lot of journal name present in this, and this is the but we do not require this information. This is the unnecessary information for end user. You go on, and there is basically there are the 4 files. First is the template file where all the code is written in this template file, and this is the template output file in the PDF format, and for this is the your zip file, all the zip information present in. This is the aux file, auxiliary file, all the information about the auxiliary document present in. This is the template file. This is the text file, show just description of the template. When you click on it, this is the latex. When you click on it, it will be appear in a latex format, basically latex format where you can write your code, all the code in this is the latex file. You can see that. First of all, I introduce some information, basic information. This is the template. In this template you can show that all the description. You can see that without processing. This is the without processing because I am writing some code, but I will give each and every description. This is the MDPI template. You can see that this is the show that all the information. This is the basically information. You can see that. Before going to next, I first of all show you some description about that. This is the here. This is the latex. If you need a support, you can mail on this. Okay, so MDPI provide you description about and any help you required, so that you can find the information. Our main classes started from the processing started from this is the definition of the MDPI. This is the journal name. You can write your journal name. Journal name is algorithm because this algorithm is a journal where you can write the journal. This is the article. You can article, so that I just discuss about the article. Submission date. This is the PDF file, PDF text file. This is the output file from this, and this is the more author, about the more author information about the authors. This is the next. This is the journals. A lot of journal present. This you can see that. You can see that this is the acoustic journal, equator, addiction. There are a lot of journal. You can see that all of the journal information I'm writing. This is the algorithm journal. I'm just writing for this. You can write for this, depend upon from which field you are related. For example, I'm from computer science, and anyone come from the chemistry, biology, or any other department. So according to your department, you can choose your journal name. Okay, this is the journal. More than 500 journal name are present here. Okay, this is the article. Because the article is basically you can replace by default is article, because here is the by default is article, but you can replace by depend upon this. This is the you can say that case report, comment, communication, conference, correction, or conference report or entry. You can choose different type of system. You can tutorial, registry, report, guidelines. You can see that guideline, viewpoint, or techno notes. You can submission. This is the class submission will be changed to accept. When editorial board choose that paper is accepted, then it will be converted and change into accept form. First is the submission, because more author, you can add one or more author depend upon your requirement. This is the PDF to text format. The option PDF is used for PDF text. EPS figure are used. Remove the option PDF and latex, and you can choose according to your requirement. Okay, basically it will be used for PDF conversion, nothing more than else. Okay, this is the page numbering. Page numbering started from this is the first page to your requirement. If you want to change the page number started from 230, 250, 260, I will show you. I'm starting from the 5. You can see that. You can, when you compile it, because there are the 2 columns, this is the compile and result, and this requirement, you can, where is the page number? This is the page number. You can see that this is the page number, 6 number. This is the 5th number page, and this is the 6th number page, and after that this is the 7th number page. So according to your requirement, you will change your page numbering. I'm just starting from the 1. And publication volume, issue name number, which issue number is that, article number, which article number is, you can choose a article number as per your requirement. Year of publication, when you publish your paper, it will be 222, 223, depend upon year of publication. Copyright year, which one was the, when your paper is published, then it come under the copyright year. Okay, you can type, just I am typing here 2020. You can choose your according to your requirement or your dependency. Next, date of received, when your paper is received by. Okay, date of acceptance, when paper was accepted. And when date of publication, when was paper you published. I'm just writing 2022 because most of the paper published in 2022, so that I write 2022. You can add DOI also, but it's depend upon, it will be changed. It will be basically published by publisher or editorial board provide the DOI, so you can write here DOI link. Okay, next is the article title. There is the article title. You can type a title according to just title. You can just write a, this is the English article title. Just when you compile it, it will show you English article title. You can see that this is the NG. According to your paper, you can write a title of your paper. Okay, and then title article, this is the English title citation. You can cite your title as per your requirement. This is the author. Just I'm typing here Dharmendra Yadav. This is the Yadav, and this is the first author name, and you can write here orchid ID. Depend upon, if you have your orchid ID, then you copy and paste, otherwise do not need to write here orchid ID. And this is the first name and second name. Author is second author description. You can write second author description and third author description. And author citation, you can cite your authors. Okay, first author, second author, third author, last name, and cite your citation. This is the description, affiliation and affiliation, name of university and email, name of university and email. You can provide a whole description. Okay, you can write here correspondence mail address, correspondence user mail address according to your requirement. You can type here who is the correspondence author. Correspondence author basically responsible for writing your article, basically journal question, who will be answer the journal question. Okay, second, this is the first footnote, current address. You can write affiliation 3, or this is the second note. This is the author is actually to equally to work. This is the, depend upon, you can type. You can see that there the description. This is the citation. You can see that this is the citation, and this is your DOI number, algorithm. This is the algorithm name. journal name and year of publication. This is the when received 15/7/2020. Acceptedness I'm not writing, you can write it. And publish when you're publish. This is a publisher not, you can write the publisher not, depend upon. This is the right, and this is the copyright of copyright information, and that will be published, and it will be automatically right when you write all the information. Next section is abstract. This is the abstract. Just copy and paste your abstract work. Okay, in this braces abstract, and this braces, just copy and paste, and it will show here, and compile it. Nothing to do extra. Okay, this is the keyword. Just copy or paste or keywords as per your requirement. If you have 5 keyword, 10 keywords, depend on, but maximum required 5 to 7 keywords. In good paper only 5 to 7 keywords, not more than 5 to 7. Next section is the introduction. This is the introduction. You can see that this was the introduction to because document started from the begin document. Okay, from here all the information from introduction to the last point here till this point, all the information contained in this begin and end document. Okay, first section is introduction. This is the introduction. You can see that this is the introduction, and just you can copy or paste your introduction part here. Just copy and paste, nothing to do extra. Okay, cite. When you want to cite, this is the citation process. For example, you write this you can see that 1 number, 7 number, or 8 number. You can 2 number or 3 number. Just this is the reference provided into the reference. This is the reference provided into the reference. Okay, I will show you. Wait a minute. You can see that. No, this is not a bibliography. Here, yeah. This is the bibliography. This is the reference journal. This is the reference book 1. This is the reference book 2. And these numbers, this is the reference unpublished. This is the reference preceding. There are different procedure. Okay, this is the name, the number. And this is the reference book 1, and this is automatically the reference journal. When this is the only code for citation, you can use this name for citation. For example, I will show you on the above in introduction section. This is the introduction. You guys see that reference book 2, reference book 1, the reference journal name. This name is used for only reference in bibliography. Okay, so that you cannot provide a whole description about your reference. Just write short name for this is the acronym name. You can say that. Okay, next section is material and method. This is the material and method. Just copy and paste your material method in this section. Nothing codes, nothing anything else. And this is the codes. When you're writing something about the codes, you can see that this is the separate thing. You can see that this is the code. This is example of code. You can just begin quotes, and just when you're writing something extra or special thing, then this code will be used. Next section is a result section. You can just copy and paste your result section. There are the two part. You can show your in section or subsection. This is the subsection, this is the subsection, this is the sub to subsection. It means that when it is a part of 3, then this is show you are 3.1, and this will be show you 3.1.1. you can say that this is the subsectioning providing. Okay, or show you in form of bullets and item size. This is the bullet, this bullet list in the form of item size, item. This is when you show in bullet. If you want to show in numbering system, then is used for enumerate. You can see that enumerate, begin and end enumerate. In front of every first item, second item, just type item. Okay, if you are writing without item and just providing star or bullet, then use item size. And when you are providing numberings 1 2 3 4 5 6, then you use enumerate. Okay, this is the enumerate. This is the figure table and scheme. This is the figure table and scheme. You can see that This is the figure and table. You can add figure. Just to add, if you see my previous videos, so here I will detail discussion how to add the images or how to add the figures. This is the H for horizontal. Include starting from here, begin figure. Just include graphics. Width depend upon your requirement. You can reduce or enlarge according to your requirement. And just type name of the image here. All the images are already put in the folder, because this folder, if you are not put your images in the folder, then you provide the whole path, but I am not interested to provide the path, so that I capture all the images in the same folder where my text file is present. Text template.txt file is present. Just, and then last section is caption. Caption provide the description about the image, because you are everything provided in caption, information about the image, and you can cite your images by using this, and label, you're providing the label by using label command. Cite, you can cite using cite command. Just depend upon your requirement. Second is the table. I am already provided about the information in last video, how to create a table and add a table in latex in each step. Just go those step, follow those step, and create a table within 1 or 2 minutes. Very hard table. Not, I am talking about the easy table, but you can type a hard table also in 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, this is the description. This is the image. You can add up according to your image. This is your table. This is the table caption, table 1. This is the figure caption, figure 1. This figure is figure, this is a figure. Scheme follow the same formatting. Okay, and this is the table, and this is the table description. You can type your table according to your requirement on site I provided in my previous video. Okay, name is how to create a table within 5 minutes. This is the first table, this is the begin table, and this is the end table. This is the begin from the this is the tabular form. Okay, you can see that. This is the second table. You can type a second table, same process. It's depend upon your requirement. Next is the formatting. You can line of number math. You can provide a line number math. This is the line number math. Okay, this is the A is equal begin equation A and equation and line number math. This is the providing line numbering, just nothing to extra. Okay, this is the begin and end equation. You can type equation in easy step. Next video I will tell you how to write the equation in latex. Okay, next is the text flowing equation. Next is the equation. Just adjust your height and width according to your requirement. This is the, you can see that this is the bigger equation. You can adjust your equation, okay, by using begin, adjust width, okay, minus extra length 0 centimeter and equation and adjustment width. This and this you can adjust your width, because this is the image, this is the equation greater than the page size. Okay dear, so that it will be adjust according. This equation adjust in page, after that it will be not adjustable. Okay, next is the figure. Next figure is also, you can type, this is the next figure. Okay, and this is the proof, begin a proof, because there in mathematics you can write a proof of equation, all the things are present. So I'm here not discussing about the proof, because it will be just like an algorithm. So next section, next video I will be discuss about the how to prove a theorem. Next is the discussion. If there in your section there the discussion, then you can type your discussion section. Otherwise no need to discuss about the discussion section, because in result and discussion all the things are covered in the result and discussion section. Okay, next is conclusion. You can just type a conclusion. This is the conclusion section. Here only one line. You can add 2, 3, 4, 10 line as per your requirement. If you have a patent information information, just type a section. In this section you can copy and paste your patent information. This is the vertical spacing 6 point, because it will provide a spacing. You can see that there is a larger space as compared to other. This space is provided by this vertical spacing. Okay, this is the optional section. Basically most of the section, this is the author contribution. You want to provide about the author contribution, that's you can provide the information. If you have a funding information, then you can provide the funding information. Because I have no funding information, then I am not providing any funding information. Institution review, if there is some institution review board that will approve your study, so this is the information. You can provide information in between section. Information information consent in medical section, need consent from the patient, medical data, using some medical data, then consent is required, so that you can add a consent in this section. Data availability, data, where you can collect the data and how to collect the data, all the information you can provide in this. Acknowledgement section, you can provide the acknowledgement. Conflict of interest, instant author declare no conflict of interest, because your study is genuine, and in conflict of interest section, most of the cases there is a writing no conflict of interest. Sample available, sample of content available. If you have, then you can write. Otherwise, abbreviation, please write abbreviation, because it enhance your capability of paper and beautification of your paper. Okay, appendix section, if you have appendix, then you write. Otherwise, you can say that no. Okay, next section is there is the table provided. This you can see that appendix section. Then appendix section, if you have another optional appendix section, then you can provide the information about this. Okay, next is the bibliography. Started from this is the 99, because when you write your 99, then it will be show you more than one reference. There are the different type of reference, because in this template they provide a lot of information about the references, so you can choose your references according to your requirement. So that this is the reference journal or the author one, and the reference for journals only. This is the reference for book, and this is the reference for book type 2. If here there are the more than different format for different books, so that this is the book format. This is the reference for unpublished book. Okay, and this is the for communication when you are communicating with authors or publishers. Then this is the reference proceeding. If you are reference when you are proceeding from getting data or reference from the proceeding, then this is the reference for proceeding. And this is the reference for the thesis. If you are getting data showing the reference from the thesis, then this reference is used. When if you are providing reference from the URL, then this is the format for the URL. First of all, we go to the reference here. This is the author name. You can write 1 2 3 4 5 as per your requirement, and then title of the article, journal name, okay, and year of publication, publisher title, and this is the page numbering. This is the basically used for volume. This is the volume, and this is the page numbering. Second is the reference for book, author name, and this is the book title. You can write a book editor 1, editor 2, and publisher house, city, country, year, and page number. This is the second. Author name, if we are more than 1 or 2 author number. Second is the book title, and edition, which edition, publisher, okay, publisher location, and country, and year, then page numbering. I'm choosing this one because most of the cases more than one author, so I will choose this. This is the author of unpublished book, abbreviation of the journal, what is the abbreviation, and indicating stage of publication, submitted, accepted, or in press. Okay, next is the reference communication. In reference communication, just provide the reference, author name, and then university, state, and country, then author to institution address. There are different author and personal communication communicated. Okay, Next is the reference proceeding. When you are proceeding in your book or in conference, then you use this reference. Okay, this is the proceeding name, conference location, address, date of conference, and date, month, abstract number, and paging duration. What are the page number provided. For thesis, just type your author type and this. Okay, when you compile, and this is the last for URL, simple URL, just title of site, available online, link, and year of publication. This is the end of bibliography, and this one is the end of adjustment width. Because of the adjustment of width, you can see that adjustment of width, you can see that this is an adjustment of width from this, and end of document. This is a line of end of document. When you compile it, it will show you all the information. This is the process excited normally, and this is your after. You can see that English article, you can provide all the things are here. And in the same process, think that my video are interested, then you like video and share video. Thank you dosto.